Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format. So let's begin. So at first you have to search CMD, then you have to click on run as administrator, then you have to click on yes. I am recording so the administrative access option is not coming. Then you have to type ticks part. Then you have to click on enter. Then you have to type list ticks. Then you have to click on enter. See, this is the SD card. I had a 8 GB SD card, so it is saying 7580 MB in size. Then you have to choose your SD card by clicking on select disk 2. In your case it may be different. Then you have to click on enter. Then you have to type list partition. And you have to make sure that the spelling is correct. Then you have to click on enter. Then you have to type select partition 1. Then you have to click on enter. Then you have to type format space fs is equals to NTFS. Then you have to click on enter. It may take about 1 or 2 hours depending on your SD card, so don't worry about it. If you want to close or exit from it, you have to type exit. Then you have to click on enter. You had now successfully left from disk part, and now you can easily close command prompt. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.